Hi, there, I am recording another video today based on my realization. The realization is that I wasted a lot of time in YouTube Shorts today. And another thing is that why? Why I did that? I did that because I didn't had a clear plan to what to do in that portion of time. If I do not allocate my time to go somewhere else, I will keep on asking my time where it went. It will just get destroyed. So then my mind said one more thing, like even there are instances in past when I had the time blockages, still I didn't made it. Still I was procrastinating even when I had allocated my time to do something else at that point. So my mind is saying, then there's no use, you cannot escape this. No, that's a trap. If I had, let's say, time blockages and a clear actionable plan, the thing that will happen is that the probability or the overall productivity will go up. There will be still instances when I'll be wasting my time. There will be instances like that, but in overall sense, the overall output will be definitely much more. And that is the first step. You have to take at least the first step. You will not go skyrocket in just one day. You start making plan, you follow it. You start making plan, you follow it. 1%, 2%, little you follow, and then eventually you become the master of time management. Not time management, it's managing you with respect to time, right? Time, how can you manage time? It just goes on and on and on. You have to manage you according to the time allocated, given to by God to you. The time is very limited. First, feel this urgency. And after every scrolling session, it feels so bad. I'm telling you, it feels so bad because the moment I scroll, I know this is bad, this is bad, this is bad. A very bad experience. Basically, I'm using another phone. In this, there's no option to block shorts. And somehow I have to use this to record videos. So basically, I uploaded a short and then I was indulged into the shorts watching because my other phone, in that, I have blocked it. In this, it is not blocked. Whew. So, but I have to use this one to upload daily because I don't want complications, otherwise I won't upload. Right, if I do so much editing and all the work, it's a stop. So, let's see how it goes. And time allocation. I need to focus on making plans and executing it. Don't worry about execution, I would say. Just make plans. Just have the plans. Have the plans and let's see how it goes. I'll keep on updating you guys. Like updating myself. If this whatever I am doing, I'm giving the information what is happening with me every important point of time. In one day, if I feel 3 different modes, I am chasing productivity, I am chasing like God mode, like output, right? Not when someone else is forcing me. If I go in a job, my boss is always there running behind me. Ki do this task, I'll do it. Yeah, I am productive at that point of time in respect to company. But if I choose something to do about me, do for my future, do for my personal stuff, why I am not productive, right? Why? So all this journey, all these videos revolve around that, thinking what is that mindset that goes in when you want to do something about yourself. Not for any pressure, no external pressure. Just you are the pressure. You create pressure on you. Or it's not just about pressure, it's just about clarity. So yeah, we'll do it. Let's see how it goes. Bye.